LOKRING is the preferred alternative to brazing as it is more cost-effective, delivers better quality with less failure and leak rates, as well as being faster. Furthermore, it provides an excellent opportunity to switch tubes and components of the cycle system to cost-saving materials like aluminium. More than 1 billion LOKRING connectors have been successfully used in 35 years in the industrial volume production of refrigerators, freezers and vehicle air conditioning systems. That makes Vulcan LOKRING the world market leader in solder-free tube connections for refrigeration and air conditioning technology. A LOKRING single ring connection directly saves the costs for silver solder and highly trained operators. Meanwhile, LOKRING indirectly reduces potential brazing cost implications that might occur through leaks, corrosion, harmful fumes, damage, burns or tube preparations. LOKRING may even reduce the number of joints needed. A correctly made single ring joint ensures both a zero failure rate and zero leak rate in both plant and field. A single ring joint needs just 10 seconds. As the net time of brazing may not be higher, the gross time of brazing, which includes additional operations such as grinding, coating and scale removal, etc., makes LOKRING the clear winner. And the more LOKRINGs that are applied, the more significant the time advantage becomes. As it's the preferred material for brazing, copper is extensively used in refrigerant cycle systems. However, copper is heavy and expensive. By joining LOKRING, you can finally consider the new possibilities. Assembling a single ring connector is this simple. Slide the LOKRING over the inner tube. Push the inner tube into the outer tube. Apply lock prep. Lock prep penetrates even the finest cavities, fills them completely, and thus makes the connection 100% airtight. Then use a hydraulic assembly tool. After the actuation of the push button, the outer tube is clamped by the clamping jaws and the LOKRING is pushed 1 to 3 millimeters over the outer tube. Finished. Besides the hydraulic assembly tool, Vulcan LOKRING also offers a hydraulic flaring tool for flaring of aluminium tubes. Furthermore, a pneumatic crimping and assembly tool is available for sealing of the tube ends after charging the system with refrigerant. LOKRING single ring connectors and tools are made by Vulcan LOKRING in-house. Development, construction, manufacture, as well as sales and service. Vulcan LOKRING is the inventor and developer of the patented LOKRING tube joint. For the last 35 years, experienced engineers have built new solutions for customers' applications in the development center in Germany. Approximately 500,000 LOKRING single ring connectors are produced every day on modern multi-spindle automatic machines in Germany, Brazil, India, the USA and China. Therefore, for customers, LOKRING is the optimal partner when it comes to safety, flexibility and logistics. The German standard of quality management is the benchmark for the international production of LOKRING. The certified quality management and the deployment of highly advanced industrial image processing systems facilitate 100% quality control. Whether you are seeking planning and consultancy for optimizing the refrigeration cycle system by using solder-free tube connections, support with the introduction of the LOKRING technology in production, or after-sales service, everything is available locally with competent Vulcan LOKRING technicians in more than 30 subsidiary companies and sales representatives. Leading manufacturers of refrigeration and air conditioning systems already put their trust in the reliable LOKRING single ring technology. Make your tube connections easier, faster and more cost-effective. With LOKRING, the best connection.